Matt again.
And Paige. We are here at Hollywood Studios. We've made it. We're about to ride Rise of the Resistance. Our boarding group was a little bit delayed because the ride went down this morning, but it looks like they're about 10 groups away. So we're gonna start heading over to Galaxy's Edge.
And it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's very hot.
It's very hot.
Very hot.
But worth it.
We got this. Finally made it inside.
It's about 10 degrees cooler. It feels awesome.
This is much better than the outside. I'll tell you that.
This is such a cool queue. This is a really nice queue.
This is probably a little more than the halfway point.
Yeah, if I have to wait in line, at least I'm distracted by the cool elements of the queue.
It's like every time you go on it hereafter, you'll see a different thing. I love the
Because you do. You're a more tone now. You weren't bad before, but you got your own. I mean, you've been doing this for a while.
Almost there.
Close.
We can love you. If I get to see how much
Really fast. It wasn't as bad as it looked.
No, it looked more scary than.
There's two.
Alright, here's filling all that open space, plenty of room. There's no more lines, filling all the available space.
Yeah.
How are you guys?
Made it up to the front.
We are seconds away from the pre-show.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-Num, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Here we go.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
All recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride.
You got your orders? Ready to go?
We're all set.
All right, if anything happens, I'm counting on you.
He's counting on us. That's not good.
All right, still waiting on clearance. Any second now.
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. Watch your line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff is 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. We route. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to jump on the way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
We're gonna get some friends and make us a fair fight. Don't worry. I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, 9-9? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
You will vacate this vessel and proceed down the hallway to your right for processing and interrogation.
And
You'll never take me.
oh, I'm not a lawyer. This never gets old.
Just the scale. I can't even describe how big it is in here.
You would not. It's like the size of a. It's like the size of a giant arena.
Yeah.
It's huge. You truly feel like you're on board a ship.
Utilize both sides of the hull. Keep their groups together.
This is so.
Very serious.
No horsing around. Yes, both sides.
Left or right, ladies?
We've been taken prisoner by the First Order.
Uh-oh.
They're going to interrogate us. Try to ask questions. They'll get nothing out of me.
Nope. We tell them nothing.
Nothing.
How many? Two. Follow down single file. How many? Two. How many are back here?
How many in this unit?
Five of you.
Two.
How many?
Down the line, single file,
There,
something
how
like
many?
the 10 told you. Go down. Go down. That way. Lieutenant standing. How many in this unit?
Have a good one.
then silver, and then orange. 2 lines this way, let's go.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
You still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods, now! Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recursos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
All right, this is your droid in the front. R5, he'll get you out of here now. Good luck.
R5, get us out of here.
Corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention block 3.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen on level D.
There they are! Fire!
Escape pod, just follow us. Take on this down. Hurry! Sit down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck?
We did it!
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, stand for his pocket.
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
R5, you're a great friend. Very nice to you. Wow, so we just got off Rise of the Resistance, and it's incredible. Very much worth the wait.
Great ride, so well done. So after this, we are now headed home.
Thank you for joining us. It was an awesome day. Hot, but awesome.
Take care. We'll see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.